Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Tressemme Hair Spray 4 is probably one of the most versatile and reliable styling companions for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality looks at home, offering a strong yet flexible hold that lasts all day without stiffness or flaking, making it an indispensable tool for creating everything from sleek updos to voluminous curls, ensuring your hairstyle remains impeccable through any occasion, from a busy workday to a special evening out, providing confidence with every spritz. Number 5. Tressemme Trace 2 Extra Hold Hair Spray. Achieve maximum hold with our Extra Hold Hairspray. It provides a strong, reliable style without any sticky or stiff residue. Don't let humidity ruin your look. This formula is designed to resist humidity, keeping your hair in place all day long. Experience a unique application that sprays on dry. This means no wet feeling, just instant hold and style. Keep your hairstyle looking flawless for hours. It's perfect for creating and maintaining any look you desire. Get the extra hold you need for your most demanding styles. It ensures your hair stays put, no matter what. This convenient 6-count pack ensures you're always ready to style. Enjoy long-lasting hold and great value. What we like. This offers maximum hold without stiffness. It's humidity resistant and sprays on dry. If you need a reliable hold that won't feel stiff or get affected by humidity, this is a great choice. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. It doesn't leave any residue or flakiness. It has a pleasant, light scent. Number 4. Tressemme Extra Hold Hairspray. Tired of frizz ruining your style? Get ready for lasting hold that keeps your hair looking its best all day and night. Our advanced Pro Lock technology is designed to keep your hair perfectly in place. It provides a strong, yet flexible, hold without stiffness. Achieve that salon fresh look that endures. This hairspray ensures your hairstyle remains flawless for up to 24 hours. Say goodbye to humidity and frizz. This formula locks in your style, protecting it from external elements. Enjoy the freedom of a style that stays put. It's the perfect finishing touch for any look you desire. For that extra confidence, reach for this reliable hairspray. It delivers the hold you need, whenever you need it. What we like. Achieve 24-hour frizz control with advanced Pro Lock tech. This provides an extra strong hold. If you struggle with frizz and need your style to last all day, this is the product for you. What people say. This hairspray is amazing. It holds my hair in place all day long without making it stiff or sticky. I love how this hairspray doesn't leave any residue or flakes in my hair, even after brushing it out. The scent of this hairspray is also really pleasant, not too overpowering. Number 3. Tressemme Extra Hold Hairspray and Keratin Repair Mask. Achieve salon quality, long-lasting hold for your hairstyle. This formula keeps your hair in place all day long. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways. It effectively controls frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Nourish your locks with the included Keratin Repair Mask. It helps to strengthen and revitalize your hair from within. Enjoy a non-aerosol spray that's better for the environment. It provides a fine mist for even application without harsh propellants. This bundle offers a complete solution for styling and hair repair. Get the hold you need and the nourishment your hair deserves. With this 3-pack, you'll have your favorite styling product on hand. Ensure your perfect look lasts, day after day. What we like. Enjoy 24-hour hold and frizz control with a non-aerosol formula. It also includes keratin repair. If you prefer non-aerosol products and want to nourish your hair while styling, this option is ideal. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. This hairspray gives my hair a nice shine without making it sticky. I love how it doesn't weigh my hair down. Number 2. Tressemme Total Volume Hairspray Plus Keratin Repair Mask. Achieve incredible volume and hold with this powerful hairspray. It's designed to lift your hair and keep your style in place all day long. Experience the transformative power of our Keratin Repair Hair Mask. It deeply moisturizes and helps to mend damaged strands, leaving your hair feeling revitalized. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. This set works together to combat humidity and keep your locks looking sleek. Get the best of both worlds, stunning volume and essential hair repair. This collection provides comprehensive care for your hair's health and appearance. This 3-piece set offers everything you need for salon-quality results at home. Enjoy beautiful, healthy-looking hair every day. What we like. This spray is designed for total volume and includes keratin repair. It's also a moisturizing hairspray. If you're looking to add body and volume to your hair while keeping it hydrated and frizz-free, this set is perfect. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. It doesn't leave my hair sticky or stiff. It has a nice scent. Number 1. Avenue Men's Super Hold Hairspray. Discover the ultimate styling solution for men. This is the Super Hold Hairspray designed to keep your look in place. Its fast-drying formula means you can style and go in minutes. Enjoy effortless, all-day control without stiffness. Achieve the perfect shape and lift with ease. This spray provides the extra hold you need for any style. Maintain your desired hairstyle from morning to night. It offers reliable, long-lasting control for a polished appearance. Get a generous 10-ounce supply of this powerful men's hairspray. It's your go-to for dependable, super hold styling. What we like. Specifically formulated for men, this offers super hold and is fast-drying. It provides effortless all-day control. If you're a man looking for a strong, quick-drying hairspray that keeps your style in place all day, this is your go-to. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. This hairspray is great for flyaways and gives a smooth finish. I love how it doesn't make my hair stiff or sticky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.